PillPack Honest review. PillPack, now operating as Amazon Pharmacy, is an online pharmacy service that delivers prescription medication directly to customers' door. The service pre-sorts medication into individuals' packets labeled with the date and time they should be taken, aiming to simplify medication management for individuals on multiple prescriptions. And here are the key features about this platform. Pre-sorted medication packet. Medications are organized into packets labeled with specific date and time for each dose, enhancing address and reducing confusion. And PillPack manages prescription transfers, coordinates with healthcare providers, and offer automatic refills to ensure continuous medication supply. And also, they provide the 24/7 customer support. Pharmacists are available around the clock to address medication-related inquiries, and also medications are delivered monthly at a no additional cost, providing convenience and cost savings. And here are the pros and cons about this platform. So I'm starting with the pros. The pre-sorted packets simplify medication regimen, particularly beneficial for individuals managing multiple prescriptions, and also no additional fee. PillPack does not charge for its packaging or delivery services. Customers only pay for their medication, and the service accepts more insurance plans, including Medicare Part D, making it accessible to a broad customer base. And also user-friendly online platform. Customers can easily manage their medication billing and shipment schedule through an intuitive online dashboard. And here's the downside about this platform. Some users have reported challenges in reaching customer support and resolving issues promptly. PillPack does not currently serve customers in hourly and may have restrictions with certain insurance plans, including Medicare Part B and some Medicaid plan. And also past legal issues. The company has faced litigations alleging questionable business practices, which may be a concern for potential customers. And here the overall conclusion about this platform. PillPack offers a convenient solution for individual managing multiple medication with its pre-sorted packaging and comprehensive service, streamlining the medication management process. While the service has numerous benefits, including free delivery and 24/7 pharmacy support, potential users should be aware of reported customer service inconveniences and verify insurance compatibility before enrollment. Overall, PillPack can be a valuable resource for simplifying medication routine, provided that its service aligns with individual needs and circumstances.